How to do waterproofing on a high-pitched tile roof. Waterproofing and painting of the tiles on a tile roof is important or they will crack and break easily. Cement tiles tend to deteriorate sooner. As soon as the protective paint wears off, water is absorbed and the tile perish. If the tiles fail and there is no waterproofing on the roof, water will enter the roof and accumulate in the form of moisture, damp. It is when timber will start to rot and mold will grow. When timber rot, the roof structure will fail and the roof collapses. Mold, on the other hand, will lead the occupants to fall ill. This classic situation where roof waterproofing and maintenance is left behind lead to cement filling on the ridge of the roof to separate. Water will enter the roof and damage is inevitable. Together with the medical expenses, the consequences will cost the owner a pretty penny. Work to be done. Clean the roof of all dust and debris using a high-power hose. Replace damaged roof tiles and do waterproofing on the roof ridge, flashing and valleys. Seal the roof with quality UV-resistant paint. A tile roof that is properly waterproofed and painted lends aesthetics to the property. The occupants can now rest assured that they are properly protected against the elements. Tremco issued a 5-year guarantee certificate on the material and workmanship. Visit site https://tremco.co.za or call 0732708270.